Top 10 Auto Repair in Calgary. 1. Calgary Auto and Alignment, 363 reviews, 104, Avenue Southeast No. 1050. 2. Knibbe Automotive Repair, 4.9 895 reviews, Crowfoot Way NW. 3. Venture Motorworks Auto Mechanic, 4.9 491 reviews, 28 St. Denis. 4. Calgary Auto Repair, 4.9 387 reviews, Macleod TRL SW Bay 2. 5. Mount Pleasant Auto Service, 4.9 364 reviews, for St. NW. 6. Raybern Motors, Mechanic and Automotive Car Repair Shop Calgary, 4.9 306 reviews, 44, Avenue Southeast. 7. Wrenches Automotive, 4.9 261 reviews, 27 St. Denis No. 107. 8. In and Out Auto Repair, 4.9 254 reviews, 21 St. Denis. 9. Canyon Meadows Auto Service, 4.8 608 reviews, Canyon Meadows Drive SW. 10. Affordable Auto Repair Buy and Sell Center, 4.8 595 reviews, 1 St. SW.